Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week 1 minute tutorial, I will show you how to easily find any brand logo in Canva without searching manually on Google. First, just open your Canva and then create or open any designs that you are working on. And then on the left sidebar, just tap on apps. This one, just tap on it, and then just search for Brandfetch. Like this one. This is the free app, so just tap on it like this. This is the completely free app inside Canva that lets you grab almost any brand's official logo instantly. And when it's open, just type the name of the brands that you're looking for example, YouTube, and then just enter. And then in here, the brand's logo will appear right away like this. Next, just simply tap on the logo that you want to use, for example this one, and then it will automatically be added to your designs like this. It's no downloading, no manual searching. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.